When you were under staff, what did you call it?
All right, I'm going to staff. This is how I get into mine. Staff, and what is that? Edlio?
Edlio?
EDLIO. Login. Now this is our login where you log in. So since I've already logged, then you go to your campus and you log in individually on campus. It's like each campus has its own stuff. All right? So I'm going to log into what I can get to. All right? So I've already made our classes, Sports Medicine 1, Sports Medicine 2, Sports Medicine 3. I didn't have anything else to do last week, so why not? So let's go to where I edit Sports Medicine 1. All right, and I want to create a new page, or let's say that I want to put it in here. That's the description, blah, blah, blah. Let's save. Well, maybe it's under My Pages. My Pages. Yes, because we're going to create a new page. We give it L2L, and there will now be a link on your page. It'll say L2L. Now, I want to add my YouTube. I go to plain text. You have rich formatting. If it's got all of this stuff up on the top, you won't be able to do it. So you need to go to plain text. All right? I'm now going to go to YouTube.
You have something there you want to use?
And by going to YouTube, we want to embed, E-M-B-E-D. We want to embed this on our website. So, sign in. Laura Davis.
Well,
And I go to my channel. I just love the speed of these computers. They're just the fastest thing ever. All right. All right. Here's L2L. So if I go to L2L, with this or not. So from this time where it now says stop broadcast, from that time, this now is recorded. Okay. So now if I want to put this on my website, because if we put it on the website, the kid's going to find it a whole lot easier. I'm going to go to share. All right? I'm going to pick embed. I've got this all highlighted. I right click on it and click copy. Now I go back to my website. Remember, this says rich text because that's rich texting or rich formatting. I want plain text. I'm just going to go Control V or right click and paste. I come down and I hit save.
is that for all things that you link to? You
All
can
things.
say text?
Well, with if you can use HTML inside of the plain text. All right. So now if I go to my pages, well, let's just go to home.
Cool. So easy.
Think?
Uh-huh.
I think it
Much
is.
easier than the last website.
Huh?
Much easier than the last website thing that we had.
Well, believe it or not, we have folks that are having a tough time with it. But
This would be.
if an old trainer can figure it out. Academic departments. Let's go to my page, and it should be there already. Sports Medicine 1 is what I put it in, but no, it's not in that one. It's under instructor. Let's see here. I already have the link, L2L,
And not only does the links show up, the YouTube shows up too. So now you've seen how to grab it in Google Hangouts, take it from Google Hangouts, save it, and now you can put it on your website. Now your kids can get it. And I promise you, your kids will go to it. They will. They actually get on the phone. They text each other. Is it up yet? Is the review there? But we saw some pretty cool stuff to where they were making good grades by not listening to us. So I thought that was pretty neat. It will show up in your, now it will show up on Google Plus, but that's pretty much how it is. Now, all of that should be recorded.